This time the reaction is coming in from the Trinamool Congress. It's Trinamool Congress MP Mahua Moitra who goes on to say the new parliament lobby is leaking water. Given the building is a monstrous edifice to Narendra Modi's ego, it is only fitting that it has got shaky post 2024 Lok Sabha results. So she's linking the parliament, the leak that took place inside the parliament building to the results of the 2024 elections while taking a jibe at the Modi government. And then she goes on to say Bharat Mandapam leaks, another case in point. And like you just heard, that reaction that came in from Sanjay Singh. Now the Aam Aadmi Party, Swati, is facing questions over the waterlogging that took place in the national capital, due to which there were people who faced a lot of issues, from commute to many other issues, and also the question over the deaths that have taken place in the national capital with regards to the rains, be it what happened in old Rajinder Nagar or the deaths of two people in the last 24 hours, a mother and a child in the national capital. But Sanjay Singh goes on to say, Bahar paper leak, Andar Sansad leak, ab ki baar leak sarkar. So the politics over the parliament videos is now only escalating, with the opposition hitting out at the government.
Absolutely. Nothing on people dying in the national capital, Delhi डूब रही है, nothing on that, but highlighting the inefficiency of the Modi government and citing several incidents across the country. Thank you, Sagarika, for getting us the details. We also have a reaction coming in from Mahua Moitra.
लीक सरकार तो वाटर लीक सरकार तो होएगा ही,
तो लेकिन पार्लियामेंट के लॉबी में लीकेज हुआ है.
पार्लियामेंट के लॉबी, it's not a parliament, it's an edifice to Narendra Modi ji's ego. So since he is anyway got the people of India have shown him a lesson, it is only natural that as a natural consequence of that even the parliament's lobby will leak.
आपको लगता है बहुत जल्दबाजी में ही बनाया, इस वजह से चीजें हुई हैं?
हम पहले दिन से कह रहे हैं, भारत मंडपम को देखिए ना, पेरिस में भी है प्लास्टो एक्सपोजिशन जहाँ पे ये सब इवेंट्स होते हैं. जितना भी बारिश हो जाए, कहीं देखे कहीं सिविलाइज कंट्री में जो मेन आपका शो पीस है वहाँ से पानी गिरता हो. और ये पार्लियामेंट तो हमने कहा था, ये तो पार्लियामेंट है ही नहीं, ये तो इट्स एन एडिफिस टू नरेंद्र मोदी's ego. And since his ego has taken such a hit in these elections, it's only natural that water will leak from here.